What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can create a QR code on Instagram. So let's start this video by launching the Instagram app. When the app is launched, you have to go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on bottom right corner. Then tap on three bars on top right corner. And here you'll see the option QR code. Tap on that. And now you have to go through a tutorial. Now tap on anywhere. Tap on anywhere again. And then lastly tap on anywhere again. If you tap on the background, you can change the emojis. I'll select this one. At the top of the screen, if you tap on emojis, you can take a selfie. If you tap on selfie, you can select colors. If you tap on the background, it will change color. Now select the color you like. I'll keep it like this. Now to share the QR code, tap on the share icon on top right corner. Now you can share the QR code with your friends via Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and more options. You can share this QR code with your friends so that your friends can easily follow you on Instagram. And lastly, at the bottom of the screen, if you tap on scan QR code, you can scan the QR codes of your friends. And to finish it up, tap on the cross icon on top left corner and your QR code is now ready to use. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.